See, the truth of the matter is that applying for jobs as students can be very, very frustrating. You understand? Writing a lot of letters, even dear sir, dear ma, more than the amount of time you have had breakfast for that week. And you have seen you have gotten a lot of rejections that these rejections now feel very, it feels like a personal stuff. You now feel very normal to you. You understand? It's a very frustrating phase of life as a student where we are really passionate to work. We really need this job so that you can use it to help yourself in some things, and the work is not coming up. Understand? You don't have connections. You don't have that network, right? That is your net worth, right? So it feels very, very frustrating applying for jobs. But the truth of the matter is that it is not just applying for these jobs, it's about creating a system, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science, and in my channel I help students level up the academic game. I also share tips on the channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates in my job videos like this, and so that you can help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to share with you how you can be able to automate your job applications with free tools, right? And this is very, very important for we as students because we don't have that time to be manually doing this stuff. Basically, all what we need is all about automation, right? So the first tool I'll be talking about in this video is known as Huntr. Hunter is basically Hunter, but there's no E, so it's a Huntr, right? So the Huntr app is basically a job tracker plus an auto filler platform, right? So now for the Huntr app, how you can be able to get it is that just go to huntr.school. That means just go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox, Phoenix browser, and search for huntr.co. That is huntr.co. Now this platform is basically a free job tracker, right, where you can be able to search or save jobs from different websites, organize them in one place, and even autofill these applications. When it comes to these platforms, it helps you save your CV, your cover letter, and answers. You understand? So that when you are going to apply for jobs, it automatically fills. When you're applying for a job, it automatically fills this form for you instead of you manually every time they ask you a question and say, okay, my name is this, my name is that, I am a student, I have interest, I have experience in this and that, right? When it comes to Hunter automatically fills for you. You understand? So instead of manually typing, Hunter will automatically fill it out for you. The second platform there is known as Canva, right? So Canva is simply a smart resume template, right? So when it comes to Canva, instead of using Microsoft Word, which is not that clean, which is fine, but it's not that giving you that vibe, right? You can simply go to Canva. Now when it comes to Canva, they have a clean, professional, friendly CV template. That means their template when it comes to your curriculum vitae, which is the CV, is very friendly and is very, very professional. Now when you go there, you just simply have to edit it. You have to build it, edit it, and you are going to use it forever. That means you use it the first time, you are going to reuse it, and you basically reuse it forever. Now the thing is that when it comes to this Canva, you're not just creating it for one, but you have the power, you have the opportunity to be able to create multiple versions of the CV you want for different type of job that you are going to be applying for. So that is one thing about Canva. The number 3 platform there is ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT can be used for instant cover letters and also for emails. So to get this, you simply go to your ChatGPT app or ChatGPT website and write down this prompt. Just say, write a short, polite application, a polite job application email for a student applying for a remote internship in a particular field. So you put down the name of the field, right? So if you need this prompt, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. And when ChatGPT will give you this prompt, what you simply have to do is that you have to just copy this prompt, paste it in your notepad, edit it, add a few words, and you are done in just a minute or a 2 minutes time, right? Now the thing is that one thing about this ChatGPT is that it's very, very important that you edit whatever is given to you. It's very, very important you edit it, and you can also have the opportunity after editing your after preparing your CV in Canva, you can also bring it to this ChatGPT. ChatGPT to help tweak your CV summary, or it can also help give you a professional bio for your Facebook or LinkedIn, well, I don't know, LinkedIn, right? I used to call it LinkedIn profile, right? So it's going to give you a good a good bio for a LinkedIn profile, right? So that's just it. Number 4 is a mail match with Google Sheet plus your Gmail. So when it comes to your mail match with Google Sheet plus Gmail, right? This one is basically for a massive job application. That means if you are not just applying for one job application, probably you have seen a lot of job applications and you want to just apply for like at once, right? This platform is going to help you. That is mail match, right? So for the mail match, you just basically have to collect a lot of emails from job boards or school pages, right? Just have to collect their emails from where those people that I want you to apply for that job just get to collect their email. Then use Google Sheet plus mailmail to send out personalized emails in bulk, right? So you can just use it to send out personalized emails in bulk. That means instead of manually typing for this one, send it to 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 this one, you simply have the opportunity of just sending it automatically to a lot of what do you call it, a lot of job board applications and the rest, right? Now the thing is that this particular option works well if you are targeting a small business, right? A small business, or if you are targeting a startup, right, that don't have application portals. These ones are for those that don't have application portals where you have to go and apply, right? So if you're just targeting startups or small business owners around your vicinity, and probably don't have application portals, then I believe this mail match is going to be really, really helpful with your Google Sheet. And lastly on the list is Job Presso, right? So when it comes to Job Presso is a platform that helps you find remote jobs, helps you find internship opportunities, right? And now these remote jobs and internship opportunities are one, they don't ask you for your degrees, they don't ask you whether you're a graduate of political science, you're a graduate of this, you're a graduate of computer science before they employ you, right? Basically all what they want from you is your experience and the ability for you to know what you are doing. Now to get this is that you simply apply using your templates plus your automation tools, right? So that is just it. So you set alerts so that you don't waste time searching daily. They will just be the one that will be helping you find these platforms, right? They'll just be helping you find this platform. You know, the major purpose is job applications, right? So this Job Presso will help you look for people that are looking for internship opportunities or looking for remote job applicants to employ, right? So this Job Presso will really, really help you. So now I want to give you a bonus tip, right? So this bonus tip I'm going to share with you is how you can be able to create a one-click application system. That means anytime you want to apply for a job, you don't basically need to every time prepare a CV, or say I can edit your CV and the rest, right? So I'm going to just share with you how you can just apply for a job. The moment you see a job, you can just apply for it in just one click. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to create a Google folder or a Google Drive, right? You have to create a folder on your Google Drive using your CV, using your cover letter, using your work samples, and using your portfolio link. Now for those of you that don't have portfolio, I will teach you how you can be able to create portfolio, and also using your Gmail template. Now how this one will help you is that for every time you see a new job, right, you don't have to start going to gather all these stuff, right? In just one click, you just click one time, you paste, and you will send this application, because all your stuffs have already been arranged in the Google in your Google Drive. That's your Google Drive folder, right? So with this, you don't have stress, and there's basically no long process. Now, this is what people don't tell you about when it comes to being a student and looking for a job, right? Getting a job as a student is not just about those ones who are the smartest. It's not just about those ones who are the intelligent, right? It's getting a job as a student is basically based on those who are consistent. That means for every rejection you face, you don't just have to give up. You have to be continuously pressing and pressing and pressing. That means if you apply for a job this week, once this week, you understand, you will get one reply in 3 months, right? But if you are able to automate this job application, where these platforms help you look for this job, and you automate it, where you get the job and you apply, you get to apply, you get to find out that you will have a lot of options which you will choose for, and this will give you the freedom to choose the job that best suits you, and you get to find out that you will love it whenever you are working, right? So if you want a full tutorial, on how you can be able to use some of these platforms, just drop it in the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section. Just drop, please sir, I need a tutorial on how to go about this. Then when I see that a lot of people are demanding for it, I'll basically make a video about it, and I believe it's going to be really helpful. And if you believe that this video is very informative, if you believe that this video is very helpful, please don't just hold it alone. Feel free to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And when you share it with your friends will also come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Let's see you in my next video. Always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a I really love you. Thank you.